Okay, guys, so I'm coming here in this chamber, and there is a, what is M?
Motorized valve. This electrical bin stock.
What is this?
This motorized bin stock. In case we have one unit fail, so you can isolate and automatically it will open this one.
Okay, this is valve, motorized valve or van, right?
Motorized bin stock.
Okay, SG41401.
Shear gate valve.
SG401A. S0.
No, what about flow meter? Where functioning flow meter?
No, what they're saying that.
Put this one to the command.
What is saying that? Excuse me, can you answer please?
Okay.
FM401, can this get blocked?
Nothing.
Okay.
Impossible.
Okay.
Look inside.
Agree. If there is a maintenance, in the worst case scenario, how do you do maintenance and how many hours you need?
Okay. Out if this flow meter out of service and you need remove and send to maintenance, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You can only install
Quick
two
flange.
plunge, and one.
So we can provide. Okay, I get your question.
I got it. Yeah, FM401.
Spare piece in case. Okay, for emergency. In case this is the worst scenario, you can remove the color and you can put this quick piece, short piece.
Exactly.
Plant short piece.
Or installing a new piece.
How will you
Try to have a kind of a small bypass. So that
bypass, then only you can
I'll tell you.
wall, yeah.
First of all, for the flow meters, in case you have an elbow or something or teeth, you have to maintain certain distance. You know that. In our situation, our plant, there is no space to put the flow meter even or the bypass.
That is the reason we asked you to explain the layout first.
Yeah, actually, so
We are in your frame.
in the
Only there is a location.
in the
Not a excuse,
Okay.
no space. You have to see.
This
where
is-
it can be.
vertical, it is vertical. Okay, it's not.
See, you're not understanding because of this small, your whole system will stuck.
Okay, but when you will use bypass?
Bypass one is
And you need to remove out?
for 6 months.
Yeah.
You don't out of service. To bypass it, then okay.
Almost is all also.
All with the bypass and everything.
But if any
Because all of the
No, actually, this is unnecessary. It is just it will disturb our installation there. I know this one. And
I think let us take one recommendation, review to provide the bypass.
client also should agree on this, like they know
Yeah.
how it's working.
So what we can do, we can take one recommendation, let them review and to provide
It's
the.
not about review. We need to finalize.
So both need to-
this
You have the. this
What is the
bypass
size of the
there.
pipe?
He also agree.
300.
This engineer is depending on which type of.
Yeah,